You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this quite a confusing word. There are indeed two different ways of pronouncing it, which is probably why you're here, hence the confusion. Plebiscite, that's more the British English UK pronunciation. Plebiscite or sit. Plebiscite or plebiscite. It can also be pronounced, and that's probably more the American English pronunciation, but it is also correct in English to say it as plebiscite. Plebiscite. How to pronounce in English? Two correct pronunciations: plebiscite or plebiscite. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.